So we're going to be working on Teoria.com again today. Teoria.com. Once you get here to the main page, you'll go up here and click on exercises. Please go over to key signatures, and it will probably look like this when you first log in. And you'll click and go down to key signatures identification. Click. When you first open it, probably not all of these will be green. There will be a couple of them. Do make sure that major and treble clef are highlighted green. And then at the key signatures down here, make sure that all the ones that you are working on are highlighted green. So I suspect that the key of C, key of G, key of F are going to be highlighted. And for our purposes today, I'm going to highlight here the key of D, the key of B flat, and the key of E flat. Once you have all of the ones highlighted that you're working on, you hit OK. It will take you here. So now I have this key signature. This is the key of E flat major. So I cannot just click on E. I have to click on the flat below it. And that tells me I'm correct. Next exercise. This is the key of F. So I'm going to go here and click on the letter F. Great. Next exercise. Again, E flat. Next exercise, the key of G, and it'll go click on G. Okay. So once you have gone through the number of exercises that you have as your goal each day, go up here. So make a note of how you've done. Here we've got 100%. Okay. 100. And then we're going to go up here to reset score and edit. So if you wanted to add, say, the key of A, you could highlight it. All right. Then the next day when you come back, hit OK, and it's resetting the score. There's a timer over here that doesn't matter. Okay. You can end the exercise and view your score. This is what we've done. We literally were there for a couple of seconds and we didn't do anything, right? So you can go back to the beginning, and that is all that you need to do for this particular exercise.